Hi everybody, it's Tuesday the 6th of October. We only have a few more days left and we're back in the classroom, back at Waverley Meadows Primary School. How exciting. Our learning intention today for maths, we are learning to add numbers using more than one strategy. So we're looking at addition today. To be successful, I can work out the same equation in different ways. So not just once, but in a couple of different ways. Let's look at the ways that we will work out some answers. It says choose one of the equations from the next page. So on the next page here, you will see a whole bunch of equations here. You don't have to do them all. You need to choose one of them. Okay, so you can choose which one that you think will be not too easy, but nice, challenging for you, but not too hard either. So if you think one of those hard ones are just too tricky, choose something that you think will be challenging for you. Okay, I'm going to go through this one here, 13 plus 19. So I'm going to go back to this page because this is where it tells me all the things that I need to do. All right, so 13 plus 19 in my maths book. I put it in the whiteboard. In my maths book, I'm going to write at the top 13 plus 19. Okay, that's the equation that I'm working through in different ways today. The first one says show it as MAB. Well, you can use the MAB link that I've put for you if you like. We used that earlier in remote learning for when we're doing addition. And that can help you too. But think about your MAB blocks in the classroom. Some of you actually have them. Okay, so 13 is made up of 110, 110, and 3 ones. There's 13. There's 13. And plus 19 is made up of 110 and 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And if we add them together, we're going to have two 10s to start with. 2 10s. And now let's add all our ones together. We've got 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 12 ones. So that 12, I'm going to put another 10 for the 10 and 2 ones. Okay, and there's my answer. I've just shown that as MAB. Work it out using the vertical strategy. Vertical strategy means we're going to put 13 up the top, and then in line we're going to have 19 like this. Okay, and we're adding them. Okay, so it says, so we have to start with the ones column first. 9 plus 3. So you can use your counting on for that. 9, 10, 11, 12. So the 2 goes down the bottom and the 1 goes at the top. We're going to add that little one later. 1 plus 1, we all know that one, is 2. Plus another 1 is 3. 32 is our answer. That's what this shows, 32. So we know the answer. We still need to show it in a couple more ways. Work it out using a number line. There's my number line. I'm going to start with my highest number. So let's start with 19. Let's start with 19. And I'm going to jump. I'm going to jump 30. So I need to add 13. I'm going to jump the tens column first. So if I add 10 to 19, it gets me to 29. Now I need to add the ones column. 1, 2, 3. Remember doing this earlier. So 29, 30, 31, 32. You can pause this video if you want to come and have a look back at these strategies again when you're doing your one. Now it says to work it out using partition addition. Do you remember the partition addition song where it goes pa 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 pa? Okay, I'll post that video on here too. You can go and look at that video again if you like. But let's do it here. 13 plus 19. First thing we need to do is add the tens. So what tens do we have? We've got 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 equals 20. Then we're going to add the ones. 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9. That equals 12. Then we just need to add it all together. This is our partition addition strategy. 20 plus 12. Okay, you could add that together the way you know how to do it, and that will get you 32. Same answer as what we've got over here. And the final thing, so that was 32 as well there. The final thing that you need to do is you need to write an addition story. I'm not going to write it down here. You can do it on your books, but I'm going to make one. An addition story could be Sally had 19 green apples, and Bob came and gave her 13 more apples. How many apples does Sally have altogether? There's an addition story. So you can you could write something like that. Okay, use the links to help you below in classwork, and you can take a photo and post it if you like. Have fun, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow.